Hi, it's Papa Cristo. As you know, I'm in quarantine, but I'm here to show you how to make red rub chicken. It's the most delicious thing you've ever had. Now, the one thing that we have here is Stella's lemons. This, you can't just get Stella's lemons. I'm pretty lucky. But use a good, nice lemon, sprinkle it on a little bit. You want to put just a little bit. We use Blvd in our house, but we put a little bit of olive oil on. And don't worry about hitting every spot because it'll go all over by itself. Papa Cristo's Red Rub, the magic. Now, when you use this red rub, you can also, if you chicken, beef, lamb, unbelievable. And if you do barbecuing, like low and slow, mix this with a little bit of sugar, put it in the oven, ribs at 240 degrees for 5 or 6 hours. Unbelievable. You won't believe, you pull the bone out, it'll have a bark like a pitmaster. It's wonderful. Now, we're gonna flip them over and give them a little rub because the oil's already there. Being confined doesn't mean you can't have fun in the kitchen. And don't forget, start your victory garden because that helps getting outside a little bit and enjoying while you're being cooped up. Putting in the oven, I'm putting it on the top shelf. It's 350 degrees. I have my thermometer and we'll be back to look at this in about 35 minutes. Hi, now it's time to check our chicken. Let's see how we're doing. It's been 35 minutes. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh boy. Now I forgot to tell you, I put some beautiful tomatoes in there so that now we can have roasted tomatoes and red rub chicken. My goodness, it is beautiful.